Alright, it's almost time to color in our skull. We'll get it done before the end of this video. Here's what we need to do first. We're going to have to make a stencil out of this so that we have shapes inside each white area to fill in. Easier than it sounds. First, click on your compound shape that you created. Next, go to Window, and then go to Pathfinder. In the Pathfinder tool, you're going to need to click Expand. Now we can close Pathfinder. Here's what we're going to do next. We need another artboard. So we're going to scroll down to the blank space, and over on the toolbar, select the Artboard tool. Up top, you'll click on the New Artboard button. And when I move my mouse down, suddenly I'll be able to create a new page. On this new page, I'm going to draw a rectangle. Remember that your rectangle might be hiding behind one of these other shapes. On my new artboard, I'm going to draw a big rectangle. And I'm going to color it in with a light color, say a yellow. This yellow square is like a piece of construction paper that you're going to cut your skull shape out of. And here's how we're going to do that. First, make sure you've expanded your skull, created a new artboard, and drawn a large rectangle on your new artboard. I'll wait for a few seconds for you to pause the video, do that, and come back. Now that you're back, go ahead and select your compound shaped skull and create two copies. Control-C and Control-V to make the first copy. Drag that first copy down onto your artboard. Then hit Control-V again to get another copy and put it over here in the work area. Now, we want to take our yellow square, hold down Shift, and click on our compound shape. You want to have both of these things selected. Then we're going to go up here at the top to the Align button, and we're going to align them center, horizontally, and center vertically. This will become important later. Now, we're going to actually chop out all of the black lines from the yellow background. Here's how we do that. Hold down Shift, click on the rectangle, click on your compound shape. Go to Window, go to Pathfinder, and then here on the right side, you'll see the Exclude button. It's the fourth of the shape modes on the Pathfinder. So click on the Exclude button, and you'll notice it chops out everything that was covered in black. Now, I don't necessarily want it to be black on black, so I'm going to go ahead and change the fill color of this to something like yellow again. You'll note now that this has cut out the yellow. If I click off, you can see it's literally just cut out and created a bunch of solid shapes where the lines weren't. Now I'm going to go over here and select this compound shape and pull it on top of the other. And I'm going to hold down Shift and select the rectangle. So I've got both the rectangle and the compound shape. I'm going to go to Align, and I'm going to line these up, center and horizontal. Now it's almost invisible what's there. I want to now click on the yellow space, right-click, and ungroup. Make sure you click off after ungrouping, and then you should be able to click on the yellow space outside the skull and notice that just the yellow space outside the skull is selected. I'm going to hit delete on my keyboard because we don't really need that. Now it's officially time to color. Now you can select a shape and change its color, or you can select any of the lines to change their colors. I suspect you want the outline to stay black, so generally you're going to choose your select tool and be able to color in with different fills and different colors each part of the skull. Take a few minutes after you've excluded the skull drawing, put another drawing on top, and ungrouped the yellow shapes to color in your full skull until it looks as beautiful as you'd like it to.